Hello, welcome back. I hope everybody is doing well. First, I would love to thank my subscribers as well as my new subscribers for all the lovely comments, likes, views, and everything that you guys have supported me with through this past year. As some of you may know, if you follow me on Instagram, that I have been on my sober journey, which I have celebrated a year sober, which I'm very proud of. And that's why I've taken a break from YouTube and I posted here and there. I know I haven't been consistent like I was before. I just wanted to focus on myself, focus on my mental health, focus on my sobriety, and just take care of myself. And that was the most important thing to me. I'm definitely going to be doing some upcoming videos on bags that I have sold and why. Bags that I want to review that I have in my collection to see how they're holding up and how I'm beginning to go down the pre-love route. I'm definitely going to be answering a lot more of my comments as they come. I'm so sorry about that. I know I have been slacking in that so bad. And again, I want to thank everybody for all the nice comments. I want to thank everybody for following, subscribing, liking, all that good stuff. It has meant so much to me, and knowing that I have that support. But yeah, definitely I'm really excited for this upcoming video season. I don't know how to say that, but my upcoming videos, I'm really excited to share everything with you guys. And definitely if you guys have any questions or anything for me, go ahead and leave them in the comment box down below and I'll definitely answer them in upcoming videos. And yeah, we'll start from there. But yeah, definitely I'm so excited, but thank you so much. And I'll see you guys in the upcoming videos. Bye.